Hey guys, another video today. It's gonna be a cooking video actually. I got my smoker here. We're gonna be smoking some trout that I caught last year at Taneycomo. I've brined it in some garlic, some brown sugar, some herbs, just some spices, and about to put it on the smoker, so we'll get back with you. Alright, I've got a few charcoal pieces in there. I'm going to add some cherry, start the smoke. Get this going. Alright, I'll get back with you when it's time to put the trout on. We got it smoking good. I think it's time to get the trout. Alright, I got my trout right here. I patted them dry. It's important to pat them dry so the smoke can get to them. I've butterflied them. And I'm going to put them on the smoker. Alright, I'm going to let these smoke for about an hour and then put them on the heat and finish them up. So I'll get back with you. Got them fired up, got them all. I moved them to two grates. I think they'll smoke a little better. Got our fire going right here in the bottom. Smoking good. So, like I said, we're going to let these smoke for about an hour and then I'll see what they look like and finish them up with a little bit of heat. Alright guys, we are about 20 minutes in to the cook. It's important to check on the fire, make sure it's still smoking. It is, but I'm gonna add a couple more sticks in there. Keep it smoking good. Still trying to keep it on a real low heat right now, but definitely want to keep that smoke rolling. So should be good. I'll just keep feeding it along. Alright guys, I'll get back with you. Just added some charcoal, some lit charcoal, on top of some of that cherry wood. Gonna add a little more cherry wood to get it bumped up. Just trying to cook these until they get flaky, because they're pretty well done smoking. Just add some more and let them keep smoking and cooking for a little bit longer, and then I'll take them off. Alright guys, it's probably 20-25 minutes on the heat. I moved them all to one rack because I had a flare up and I wanted to keep it a little lower, but my fire's starting to die down a little bit. Let's check these guys, see what they're looking like. Ooh, they look good. They smell even better. I don't know if they're done. We're about to check them. See, it's probably the thickest one right here. Probably. Alright. Oh yeah, that's done. Alright. Well, I'm gonna take these guys off. Alright guys, actually I decided to leave them on there just a little bit longer. They were probably done. I wanted them just to finish up just a little bit longer. Right now they are looking good. I'm starting to render out some of that. They're definitely done. It's time to get a test of these guys. Ooh, this looks so good. I need to watch out for pin bones, because trout do have pin bones. Alright, Look at that. Man. We're gonna try this right now. Oh. That is actually a lot better than I expected it to be. Wow. If you guys ever get trout, try this. This is good. This is really good. It's just a few pin bones, but other than that, oh, that is great. Alright, well, this is probably going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this, be sure to leave a like. We really do we like making these videos. We like getting together, going fishing. It's really fun, so show some love, subscribe, and see you in the next video.